Have you tried Bengali Kochuri Aloo Torkari? This popular dish is relished at breakfast time. The lentil stuffed puri and the mildly spiced aloo ki sabzi is a match made in heaven. Try it. You'll be able to score a win with this one. Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Let's begin with the powdered spices. Half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, dhania jeera, a large pinch of haldi, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Add in a bit of water and make a paste. In this sabzi, the potatoes are cooked with their skin on. I am using the freshly harvested potatoes from this winter crop, and I have cut them into medium sized pieces, not too big, not too small. This is half a teaspoon of grated ginger and half of a big green chili that I have crushed together. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to smoking point and then let it cool down slightly. Add in half a teaspoon of Panch foron to temper the oil. Panch foron is the Bengali 5 spice. A pinch of hing and then the potatoes. I have used four large potatoes. Cook this for a minute. So it's been about 1.5 minutes. Let's add in the ginger chili paste. Cook till the raw smell goes away. I forgot to add in the red chili. I should have added it along with the Panch foron. No worries, I'll add it right now. You could add in more. Season with salt. Add in the prepared spice mix. This is a mildly spiced sabzi but very flavorful. You have to try it once. As soon as the oil starts separating, that smells too good. So the oil has started to separate and this is the time to add in a bit of water. Bring that to a boil. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Just to balance out everything. You could skip it. And then cover it, cook on medium heat. So the potatoes are cooked. I just checked a while back and it's time to add in some cooked Matar. These are the green ones. You could add in the yellow Matar. So these are cooked, but we'll cook them with the potatoes till the potatoes are well done. Add in some hot water. Once it comes to the boil, cover it and cook on medium heat till the potatoes are mushy. Kasuri methi, A large pinch will do. Crush it. Add it in. Some black salt. Check the seasoning and adjust it accordingly. But this is done. Add in some green chilies. You could slit them and turn off the heat. Cover and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes before you serve. 3/4 cups of moong dal that I soaked in hot water for 1 hour, and I'll grind it. Half a green chili, you could add more, and a teaspoon of grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, soft. That's done. To make the filling, heat some vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of it. Add in a large pinch of hing. And the lentil or dal paste, all of it. Cook this on low to medium heat. When it is half done, add in a tiny bit of turmeric powder, haldi, salt to taste, and a teaspoon of sugar. You could skip the sugar, but for the authentic Bengali taste, I recommend you add it. This is done. Turn off the heat, spread it out slightly, and let it cool down completely. 2 cups of maida, 1/4 cup of suji or semolina, and mix it. Half a teaspoon of salt and about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add water little at a time to make a stiff dough, not too soft. And let it rest for at least 20 minutes before you make the kachori. Make lemon-sized balls from the dough and slightly smaller balls from the filling. Store the leftover filling in the fridge and you can use it for up to a week. To fill the dough, press lightly around the edge. To get a bowl shape, place the filling and cover it with the dough to seal it inside. Roll it back again. There you have it. Similarly, fill up the rest of them. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Send me your feedback when you try it. Before you roll out, flatten the balls and pinch the edge. Use a bit of oil to help with the rolling. Roll out gently These will be slightly thick. Time to deep fry the kachoris or puris in hot oil. So I got 12 from the dough. Let's take a look inside. For a special breakfast, serve them hot and enjoy.